Recording is on.
Yeah, guys, let's take a look at the duties and the responsibilities of a business analyst. So, business analysts primarily work on project teams, and as part of their day's regular duties and tasks, a business analyst may perform some of all of these following below. They work in cooperation with their project managers. They work on more than one project at a time, and so they must constantly reevaluate their priorities and deadlines. They gain an understanding of the organization's business processes relevant to the project goals. They document processes to help refine the problem the project is trying to solve. Documentation almost always involve diagrams and modeling how work is done. They figure out how the actual work differs from the established policy, procedures, and protocols. A BA, they conduct brainstorming section all the time to gather requirement solutions, and they need to have and participate in the requirement gathering. They conduct requirement gathering to ensure the knowledge has much depth and context as possible. They flesh out the details of a business solutions, which require a good understanding of how technological solutions are implemented. So, what is a BA and why are you here? That's a good question. A person who analyzes the operations of a department or functional unit to develop a general solution to the problem is a BA. A person who, when presented with a business problem, study it and comes up with a solution. And a BA is a problem solver. They solve organizational problem, business problem, customers problem, end users problem in every organization. Now, let's look at the required skills for a BA, business analyst. The required skills for a business analyst is that you must have a listening skills, you must have a good verbal and good communication skills, which they have. Every business analyst they have a stakeholders management skills. BA they have a critical thinking skills, they have a negotiation skills, they have a strong facilitation and elicitation skills. They are problem solver. They have a problem solving skills. They have an analytical skills. They have analysis skills as well. They have a strong visual modeling skills. They use visual tools to draw different diagrams. They have strong relationship building skills. They are self-managing. They can manage themselves in every organization. Now, let's take a look at the BA roadmap, different level of business analysis. Business analysis focus on both the problem as well as opportunities. There are three fundamental different level of business analysis. We have the strategic business analysis on the enterprise level. We have the tactical business analysis on the project level. And we have the operational business analysis on the operational level. So guys, let's deep dive more to learn more about these three uh, roadmaps. So this is the detail level of the business analysis roadmap. For the strategic business analysis, this is the study of the business vision, goals, objectives, and strategies to identify the desired future. It encompasses the analysis of existing organizational structure, policies, politics, problem, opportunities, and application architecture to build a business case for a change. While a tactical business analysis is at the project or initiative level to flush out the detail of the proposed solution, and to ensure that it meets the needs of the business community. At this level, business analysis identify impacted stakeholders, capture their individual concerns, elicit stakeholders' requirements, conduct visibility analysis, analyze and prioritize the requirements, and manages the changing requirement throughout the life of the project. While the operational business analysis work on specific business applications, its input is the result of tactical business analysis expressed as traditional stakeholders' requirement or in the form of agile user stories to define solutions, functional and quality, and transition requirement. This level is most concerned with the business use of information technology. Now, let's look at what does and let's look at what do- does and BA do in every organization. In every day of their life, they apply knowledge of processes. BA ensure requirements are valid. BAs identify possible improvement to the businesses. They examine the needs of the business. They facilitate feedback. They ensure solutions satisfy the needs of the businesses. They gather requirement every day of their life. They document requirement. They advocate for the business. They communicate with the IT. They advocate with them because the business they can't be able to communicate with the ITs. They ensure they make sure use of a common language. They ensure needs are understood and met. They identify risk. They design new business processes. And they justify changes and keep management informed in everything that is happening during the project. Okay, guys. So this is a summary of a module one of a business analysis. Let's take a look at it together, and and there's answer the exercise together. A business analyst is a link between a broken process, new process, or a problem and a solution. The BA gather business requirement and assists with formulation of a possible solution. The BA often function as the intermediary for the business and technology side of the agency. Now, the exercise, let's take a look at this exercise and answer it together. All right. You have been assigned as a new BA for an upgrade project for a HR payroll application enhancement in your organization. What is your role in this project as a BA? Very simple. Your role during this project as a BA, you are the you are the communicator, you are the facilitator, you are the one that you will manage the requirement phase. You are the one that you will coordinate the testing. Whatever testing that is going to happen during the testing phase, the one that you coordinate with the end users. You're the one that you coordinate with the keyways, making sure that the requirements satisfy the business needs. You are the one that you will ensure that the requirement, you gather the requirement, and also you have an approach for changes. So whenever the business want to change the requirement, you must have a plan for change management, and you must also conduct impact analysis. So your role in every project as a BA is very vital. You are everywhere, from the initiation to requirement analysis to design, to clarify developers' question during development stage, and also coordinating testing, and after testing deployment, and also you are there after post implementation. So you're everywhere. So that is the end of our module for today, and I hope you guys really enjoy this section. Please, if you have any question, reach out to us, send us an email, text us. You can Google us online, send us an email. If you want to join our BA class section, you're free to reach out to us at any time. Thank you very much and have a blessed day. Bye.